Classification of haloalkane. Today we are going to start. So here the very first classification, aliphatic haloalkane. In the aliphatic haloalkane we will read about monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane. In the monohaloalkane only one halogen, in dihaloalkane two halogens. Again dihaloalkanes are subdivided if two halogens are attached to the adjacent पास वाले कार्बन के संग attached है, then these are known as vicinal dihalide. When both the halogen are attached to the same carbon atom, then ये कहलाते हैं आपके gem dihaloalkane. Now depends on nature of halogen. Suppose chloroalkane, bromoalkane, iodoalkane and fluoroalkane, this type of classification. Now depend on the nature of carbon from which halogen is attached. We will do. This detail is very important. Halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So here the very first we will take that simple CH3X, CH3, CH2X, then branched one CH3, CH, CH3 and halogen. These all are aliphatic halide and here we will describe as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Here halogen is attached to the carbon which is attached with no carbon. Here halogen is attached with the carbon. Which one is attached is one carbon. Halogen ऐसे carbon से attached है जो एक और carbon से भी attached है. These two will come in 1 degree car halide. For 3 carbon atom I can write, or 4 carbon atom I will write. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and halogen 1 degree. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2 hangs. That is also 1 degree. 2 degree CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Suppose here halogen, then it is 2 degree. Then 3 degree. So here, you know its name, IUPAC name is, okay, that one, halo butane. But the common naming is quite popular, normal haloalkane. If chlorine is it is, then normal butyl chloride. Okay, normal butyl group. It is known as isobutyl halide. Isobutyl halide is 1 degree. And this one is known as secondary butyl group. So secondary butyl halide. And this one is known as tertiary butyl group. Tertiary butyl halide. X stands for halogen here. So 1 degree through 2 degree and 3 degree haloalkane you have to understand. Now, after this classification, we will do another type of classification. Now halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 carbonized, this is quite popular. CH2 double bond CH X. This group is known as vinyl group. Common naming is vinyl halide. Vinylic halide. In the same manner, CH2 double bond CH, CH2Cl. This is known as allyl group, allyl chloride. Now, next aromatic, but here also sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Then directly halogen is attached. It is known as chloroalkane. Known as aryl halide. And here benzyl halide, benzyl. I hope this type of classification is very clear to you. Here, halogen is attached to the direct double bonded carbon atom. Double bond वाले कार्बन की संख्या है, halogen attached है. And यहाँ double bonded कार्बन एटम के संग हाइड्रोजन halogen attached नहीं है, कहाँ है उसके पास वाले कार्बन पे. So a big difference in both. So total chemical reactivity will be different. Okay, this aryl halide and this benzyl chloride. There is a lot of difference between the properties. Let us continue. Preparation method. The very first preparation method from alcohol. As we have studied earlier also, anhydrous Zn chloride and HCl when directly treated with, there is formation of RCl. Number 2, that is H2SO4 and Ki. Hi will form here only and there is formation of Hi. This is about RBr means KBr. KBr and concentrated H2SO4. Here Ki and H3PO4. Don't be confused. Here anhydrous Cl2 and HCl, there will be formation of RCl. Then Ki plus H3PO4, there will be formation of Ri. Then H2SO4 in the presence of KBr, there will be formation of RBr. Now, most popular method, thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride, when treated with ROH, there is formation of RCl. Sulfur dioxide will remove, goes to the atmosphere. So these are the popular preparation method. Some more about RH, that is phosphorus plus halogen. There will be formation of RCl. In the same manner, RPCl3, there will be formation of RCl. POCl3 will be the byproduct, then PCl5, then also RCl. So these all are the method, maximum method can be, this is not a U, this is RCl. Please make understand, make it clear, RCl, RCl, it's not U. Now, next method with the hydrocarbon. chloro. So here now next preparation method after alcohol from alkane. Alkane when treated with sunlight and halogen, mono substituted, di substituted, bi substituted, all types of halide can give. For example, RCH, Cl2 and some more derivative can form. You have studied in the last classes. Now next is from alkene. From alkene, when reaction will occur from alkene, suppose I am taking the example of bromination, then HBr is added, only HBr is added, there will be formation of the product according to the Marconi of 2. So from this Br will go to the less hydrogen containing halide. So there will be formation of 2 degree halide. But HBr in the presence of peroxide I am taking, then there will be formation of 1 degree halide, as peroxide effect will do work only for bromination. That's why especially for conversion bromination we have to do according to the requirement of question. Okay, you cannot take HCl for conversion. Suppose we are continuing in the conversion, then please be noted that HBr की रिएक्शन में ही peroxide इफेक्ट लगता है, अदरवाइज नहीं. अदरवाइज मैक्सिमम टाइम HBr प्रोडक्ट क्या बनाएगा आपका Marconi का. Now next reaction is a very important reaction and known as allylic substitution. Here also sunlight and chlorine when treated with allyl chloride, or you can say 1 propene. 1 propene is treated. There is no harm to this double bond के related hydrogen पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं, and only this alternate कार्बन and इससे अटैच हाइड्रोजन है वो रिमूव होगा. This is known as allylic substitution. Only in this particular compound you have to do this electrophilic substitution reaction, well known to you, that chlorine in the presence of anhydrous Cl and anhydrous AlCl3 treated, there will be formation of chlorobenzene. In the same manner, substituted halogen benzene will form. For example, RCH3, benzene ring and CH3 group, when there will be formation of chlorine and anhydrous AlCl3 are reacting with Cl2 and anhydrous AlCl3 already present toluene. In the toluene CH3 group is there, it will send ortho position as well as para position. So orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene will be the product. Okay, so directing effect of the already present group will work. Next, some name reactions are here. So first I would like to take CH3, CH2 X, or you can say Cl or Br, Cl or Br only. It will work. There is Ki and Ki in the presence of acetone. There will be formation of CH3, CH2, halogen exchange reaction. In this halogen exchange reaction, only for iodo derivative we have to take this halogen exchange reaction. This may be chloro or bromo derivative. This R group can be extended. So such type of halo derivative, chloro derivative, bromo derivative treated with Ki and acetone, there will be formation of iodo derivative. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Okay. Now after Finkelstein reaction, next reaction we are doing that CH3Br. Any bromo or chloro, any derivative you can take. Silver salt of fluorine or arsenic salt of fluorine, when treated, there will be formation of CH3F. Again, it is the hydrogen exchange and its name reaction is Schwarz reaction. This one is Finkelstein, this one is Schwarz reaction. Now, next in the row is you have studied what will happen. Suppose aniline. Aniline treated with NaNO2 and HCl at especially 0 degree centigrade to 5 degree centigrade. There will be formation of diazonium salt. Till this reaction, diazotization, you are studying. Now, this diazotization reaction, you are having diazonium salt when treated with Cu and HCl. There will be formation of chlorobenzene. CuCl and HCl, there will be formation of, instead of Cu, we are taking CuCl in few groups, Cu2Cl2, then also hydrogen. This reaction is Sandweier reaction, this reaction is Gettelman reaction. Along with this, suppose only Ki is taken, there will be formation of iodo compound. Okay, these two main reaction, Gettelman reaction, Sandweier reaction. This one is, you can say, halogen exchange reaction or special reaction. Okay, so these all are the reaction. One more name reaction, you have studied Boltzmann reaction, in which you have prepared chlorobenzene. Please go through with the diazonium salts reaction. Now, the remaining one. One more reaction, quite popular for you, that it is one of the activating group. So many times only iron and dark, and we are taking chlorine with it. There will be formation of CH3 Cl plus CH3 Cl. Point to be noted, iron in dark, no sunlight. If sunlight will be here, there will be formation of CH2Cl. Okay, now some physical properties. The very first property, solubility. Definitely solubility. Now we are starting with physical properties. First we will take solubility, as they are not preparing any hydrogen bond with the water, they will be insoluble in water. In organic solvent, they will be soluble. Now next study about melting point and boiling point. This we have to do study for each and every functional group. In general, molar masses increases, the melting point and boiling point increases. So R group becomes bigger and bigger. Definitely boiling point becomes higher and higher. In the same manner, suppose different type of R group, then you can say Ri substance have the highest boiling point as compared to RBr, as compared to RCl. Okay, why? Because of the bigger halide, molar mass is higher for Ri, so its boiling point is higher. Now, next about the branching. I have taken three isomeric compound. As we know that more and more branching, then the shape of compound becomes, in general for all the compounds, shape of compound becomes more compact in nature. So, there will be decrease in the surface area decreases, then van der Waals forces decreases माने दूर दूर मॉलिक्यूल पहले से ही हो गए, van der Waals forces decreases, what will happen जब already दूर दूर है मॉलिक्यूल, so they will boil at lesser temperature. It means branching increases, then melting point and boiling point decreases. So the highest melting point, boiling point, or without branching compound as compared to branched compound. That's all for the physical properties. Now we will read the nature of compound. Here RCH2X. This one is more electronegative, partial negative charge will be here. This one is partial positive charge. It means polarity in the bond CX. We are doing work for the polarity of the substance or nature of CX bond. So as partial positive charge is here, all the negatively charged species, for example OH minus, Cn minus, NO2 minus, and so on. These all type of negative, or you can say lone pair compound, NH3, H2O, these all have lone pair. So lone pair having substances as well as these all negative charge species, they will attack from this side towards the carbon atom. क्यों? क्योंकि उस साइड से अटैक करेंगे नहीं. Why not? Because already negative charge, there will be repulsion. So all such species will attack to the positive part. Okay, you know, can you give name for the common name? Common name in general, what is the common word used for this category? That is FUP, nucleophile. Nucleus loving, positive charge को loving. Okay, so nucleophile, when attacked, there will be the reaction nucleophilic substitution reaction. So it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Please today only go through with the notes as well as go through with the NCERT book. Then only this chapter will be clear to you. Please today only note down the notes and do study of NCERT. Thank you. Tomorrow we will continue with some mechanism. Thank you.